Ça, c'est le premier petit déjeuner de la fin du monde. J'ai un œuf et j'ai le café. Voilà. Je ne sais pas la future. C'est seulement un jour. Et un jour.
C'est tout à fait de Batanel. The one thing that I do know for sure is English. And I can speak it without an accent.
Mais je ne veux pas ça. Voilà, la porte. Je ne sais pas pourquoi, mais je sais qu'il est un homme à la porte.
Et il est moi, et je suis il. Cinematography. So guys, we're going to be learning about cinematography. Now, I know you have just seen the greatest short film ever made, but hang on to your hats, because I've done something semi-legal. Fair use, baby. All the laws are out because we are in a crisis. So what I've done is made a PDF of the entire book. Well, the entire chapter 6. It's 60 pages, baby. Anyhow, let's get reading. What we're going to do is learn all about what cinematography is. Hooray! We're going to learn by outlining this chapter over the next 3 or 4 days of class, I believe. So should do, let's say, 15 pages a day. 4 days seems fair. It's a long chapter. So try to outline 15 pages of it a day. Read them and outline them. Also, I'm going to be setting you up with videos that talk about different cinematographic techniques and discoveries or inventions over the course of film history. Today, for example, in one of the links, YouTube links that I've put in Google Classroom, we'll be talking about, well, by we I mean a guy on YouTube, will be talking about Citizen Kane and some of the innovations that came about in that film, and so some of the techniques that were perfected and used really for the first time. So we can see our learning objectives here. We're going to be talking about, shots, setups, takes, what the differences between those things are, what types there are. We've already done some notes on that, so you're actually kind of ahead of the game, because I find it's easier to talk about movies once we know some basic cinematographic terms. Understand the role that a director of photography plays, which is basically the cinematographer. Describe the basic characteristics of the cinematographic properties of a shot. Film stock, it should say. It says film talk. Terrible. Very bad typo. Basically, we're just going to start learning about the material form of making films. Cinematography is the process of capturing moving images on film for a digital storage device. The word comes to us from 3 Greek roots: kinesis, meaning movement; photo, meaning light; and graphia, meaning writing. But the word was coined only after motion pictures themselves were invented. Cinematography is closely related to still photography, but its methods and technologies clearly distinguish it from its static predecessor. This chapter introduces the major features of this unique craft. Although cinematography might seem to exist solely to please our eyes with beautiful images, it is in fact an intricate language that can, and in the most complex and meaningful films does, contribute to a movie's overall meaning as much as the story, mise-en-scène, and acting do. So I'm not going to read to you guys this full chapter, but just getting you started. This is fascinating stuff. It really is. So get in here and play with me. Come on, guys. Enjoy this space. Yay! Learning. We're back.